Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. I have a giveaway today, but I don't know any of the details. So check in the description below. Hopefully by the time I post this, I'll be able to put subtitles in here to tell you about the giveaway. So Lamb Shop Kits sent me some kits to show you. They didn't sponsor this video except to give me the two packages I'm going to show you. And I don't even know what we're giving away yet or when. But I do know that it will involve placing a comment in the bottom, in the comment section below, and me pulling a random person. So I don't really know any of the other details, so please read the description below for the details. So this beautiful kit, it's a kit company, and they have these monthly kits, and I have two different kits here, a bigger one and a smaller one, and so let's see what they have. So this is the, I'm not even sure which one this one is, but it's got three hanks, of Jaeger spun yarn. 3 matching, luscious, lovely, soft hanks of Super Lamb 100% USA superwash wool, 100 grams, 248 yards in the color Willow. So every box, I assume each month is going to have different content, but this is an example of the kind of content that comes in their monthly subscription box. This is the bigger box. This one has 3 hanks of yarn and a premium knitting needle. This is a fixed circular driftwood needle, size 7, very pretty. This is made out of wooden needles, L-Y-K-K-E-E. One E, L-Y-K-K-E Crafts. So I want to open this because I do like knitting needles too, and I really should get back into knitting because it is fun. Ooh, these are smooth. These are really smooth. Ooh, that's nice. And the cable where the cable joins to the wood is very smooth. I would enjoy this. I think I'd really like this cable. It's very smooth. It's tapered, but not too pointy and sticky, but really, really smooth. Like if I had my eyes closed and I felt this, I don't know that I would know it was wood. It's very pretty, very smooth. And let's see what else we have in here. In this package also is some doodads. Oh, okay. So we have a yarn needle. Always need another one of those. Oh, an adorable little stitch marker. Oh, I like it. A little lamb stitch marker, knitting stitch marker, very cute. And a little tag to sew onto your finished project, handmade with love. Very, very cute. And a pattern. So, oh, pretty. Ooh, very pretty. Oh, goodness. Okay, so this is, let's see if we can find out who the designer is. Alana Dacos, Trailing Ivy knitted cape. Trailing ivy stitch motifs grow out from the body and into pleats of this cozy semicircular shawl. When worn wrapped around the shoulders, ivy gracefully cascades down the length of each arm. So look at the detail here. Here's the cover photo. Very pretty. So this is a very heavy cardstock, full color charts and written instructions. Very pretty. And let's see, is it actually, okay, so it looks like this yarn is the right yarn for this pattern. Very pretty, but it's a different yarn. Like this one says Blue Moon Fibers Arts Yaxi Yak yarn, and this is Jaeger spun superwash wool. So these are different yarns, but still a premium pattern. 3 gorgeous hanks of matching yarn, a beautiful, very smooth knitting needle in size 7, and then the little extras, the tapestry needle, the cute little stitch marker, which as a crocheter, I might have to make that into an earring, and a little tag that says handmade with love. Very cute. And made with love. So a little card that says, hello, thank you for supporting my small business with your purchase. And so you can connect with them on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, at Lamb Shop Kits. take a photo and tag on social media. Excellent. So this is the bigger box. So pretty. So yeah, what a great gift. So I have no idea what their fees are for their monthly subscription kit, but this is the premium, the bigger box. And let's look at the smaller box. So the smaller box, ooh, that's a gorgeous color. Okay, I'm gonna cross my legs, but I'm gonna kick the dog. This is a gorgeous color. Okay, this is the Jaeger Spun size 4 from Springvale, Maine, 100% USA, superwash wool, 100 grams, 248 yards. So the same yarn, but a different color that was in the other box. So I'm guessing that every month you would get, you would pick either the big box or the little box, and the size of the project or the amount of content in each box matches the fee that you chose, the budget that you have. And so, oh, this is gorgeous. Remember I don't know if you remember the other day I made a hat from my book, One Skein Crochet, and I made the greenery hat for a friend of ours, and I might have to make one for me out of this hank of yarn. One hank would do it. Really a gorgeous color of gray. And let's see what else comes in here. So in this box also is a different stitch marker. I can see through the little package. A tapestry, oh, I opened the wrong end. That's the problem. So this one has a tapestry needle. Gotta love that, always could use one of those. A handmade with love tag, and a little scarf stitch marker. Adorable. That could be my other earring. I could have the scarf over here and the lamb on the other side. Thank you so much to Lamb Shop Kits. Okay, this is another knitting needle, but this one is smaller. This is a size 6 circular needle. It's the same gorgeous wood brand, the driftwood. I really like it. Feels like a treat. And then the pattern for this one is a hat, which makes sense. It goes with the knitting needle, and one hank of yarn will make this gorgeous Taking Roots Beret by Alana Dacos. A textured slouchy hat featuring sprouting vines growing up and out from the bottom ribbing. So this hat would look great with that small circular shawl. So maybe they are meant to go together, but really gorgeous. Again, a beautiful pattern, beautiful cardstock, full color, a chart and written instructions, all the terminology. So it looks just really beautiful. You could, oh, look at this. Oh, this is interesting. This is on the other box too, but I didn't notice this before. This pattern is copyrighted, of course, but on the back, you have a little code. Download a free digital PDF of this pattern using the code below. So when you buy the box and you get your hard copy of the pattern, you could also have, you're also buying a downloaded version. And you have a unique code, like, so when I scratch this off, there'll be a code and I can download a PDF of it so that I don't have to worry about losing this or having it in my bag when I travel. I could download the pattern to my device and bring it with me. So isn't that great? So not only a hard copy of the pattern, but also a digital version of the pattern comes with your box. So as a crocheter, I can always appreciate the gorgeous yarn. And I don't know if they had crochet boxes specifically, but the knit boxes are still something that I would really love. So we'll have to see what the prices are to see if I don't use the pattern, you know, if that's something that still makes the box economically worthwhile if you're 100% a crocheter only. But certainly getting to know new fibers and getting a premium one hank of something in the smaller box would get you a one hank project, and you could certainly check out my book, One Skein Crochet, to use your premium fibers. And it's a great way to learn about new fibers, especially if you don't have a yarn store near you. Anyway, like I said, I don't know what the plan is for a giveaway, but I'll put all of the information in the description below, including how to enter, the deadlines to enter, when the winner will be chosen. and that kind of thing. But in the meantime, I am going to enjoy unhanking this Jaeger spun fiber, and I will find out from Lamb Shop Knits what they want to give away exactly, if they're giving away a box, which box, and if it's open to everybody or open to only domestic. I will let you know as soon as I find out, and that will be before this video airs, so it'll all be down in the description below, or I'll paste it in words in the video. So I will see you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.